Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we almost covered the basics of Python, and in this video we will be solving a problem that will help us to revise all those concepts that we have learned in previous videos. So let's look at our question. So the question says there are three people who access a room all with different passwords. After entering the room, they are shown a message saying, "You have a gift waiting." So this problem statement can be divided in three parts. First, we will be building a dictionary that will have the name and their respective passwords. The second, we will check if the given password corresponds with the given name or not. And in the end, if the password is correct, we will display this message. So let's start. In your IDLE, go to your file and create a new file. From now onwards, we will be performing all our programs here. So our first task is to create names and passwords. So let's name this dictionary passwords, and let's our first name be Zach, and his password be Alohomora. So I have given two more names and random passwords. Let's print a statement saying enter your name, and in the next line we will be asking for the name. So this is how you take input from the user. We call input function. This part can be written in the input bracket itself, so let's do it and remove the print statement. So whatever is in the input bracket will be printed, so we do not need another print statement, so let's delete it. Our next task will be asking for the password. Let's copy this one and let's make few more changes. So we have taken the passwords and the name. Our next step will be to check if the name and the password corresponds. So let's write an if statement to check the condition. Passwords at name double equals password. So if this condition is true, that means our user has given the correct password, and we will print the statement. Else we can print anything like incorrect password. Yes, so we are almost done with the program. Let's compile it. And the first statement we get is enter your name. So let's enter Zach, and password was Alohomora. Yes, so we got our statement. Let's run this again, and this time let's enter a name that isn't there in the dictionary, and so we get a key error. To avoid this key error, we can do one thing. If you remember, I told you about get function. So instead of indexing, we will use .get function so that we can avoid this error. And let's now compile this program again. So we get incorrect password and our program is not interrupted like before. So we are done with a problem statement. Try practicing more problems by yourself. There are numerous questions on patterns and different types of series like Fibonacci series, special numbers, etc. These will help you build up logic. Coming up next, we will be looking at web scraping. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.